What is up, guys, and welcome back. So in today's video I thought I would do a six month review on the Flowmaster Outlaw system that I put on the Silverado. So first off, let's go take a look at it. So now I'll do a startup and a couple revs, and then I'll grab my GoPro and we'll see how this thing sounds wide open throttle. So I got you guys in the back seat. Hopefully you can hear me okay when I'm talking, but before I go for this little drive, I just want to say that definitely made a difference when I purchased my AFM disabler. If you haven't seen that video, scroll through my my channel and find that video and watch it. That was another one of the best investments that I've made on this truck so far. So anyway, with that being said, let's go. So I'm rolling up to a stop right now. I'm going to roll both front windows down and we're going to see how it sounds. Do it one more time with the windows up. Couldn't stay on it for very long. I had a truck and a trailer in front of me, but all in all, guys, I'm pretty impressed with this exhaust system. I would definitely purchase it again. If you're not subscribed to my channel, make sure you go down and subscribe right now. Click that thumbs up button. And yeah, I will see you on the next one. Bye, guys.